Yohan sọ fáwọn èèyàn pé èmi ń tọrọ mọ́tò lọ́wọ́ Davido mo ń sunkún tó ńgbà tó fún mi yogurt tán kí ló sọ fún mi ó pè mí sí corner ńgbà tá a ní break lórí set ó ní àǹtí Kẹ́mi ọ̀rẹ́ mama Davido ni mọ́mí òun ibo.
Hello my country people, how una dey? This is Maureen Gist TV. I greet una according to una time. This na update about Sylvester Oromoni case when e be say e dey for police hands. Una know say the latest update now be say the 5 Donwin college students when e be say dem say they allegedly kpeme Sylvester Oromoni wey be say dem dey for police detention. Na im dem say dem judge the matter today, so court don grant dem bail. Say court say make dem pay 1 million naira each. Now a lot of people come the thing come dey surprise a lot of people. A lot of people choctalize. They say whether murder case don turn to bailable offence, because me I know say since when I dey this country, case when e be say involve say dem kpeme somebody, that person no dey go house, so dem no dey bail am. So how come this one come different, my people? A lot of people express their displeasure about this whole thing. Dem no just dey happy. Dem say say dem no supposed to release the boys dem, say dem supposed to leave dem for inside that detention wey be say dem dey, depending on when dem judge the matter finish. Why some people dey say say the case still fresh, make people kulu temper, make dem just wait, dey see how the thing dey unfold. But honestly, this thing no go down well with a lot of people. Some people say, make I even read some of the comment where some people dey comment. Some people say, Nigeria is my country, to be faithful, loyal and honest. #5 million bail charge for what purpose? Who will collect the money? The government or the parents of the boy? When are we going to stop all this shameless and clueless act of government? I fear for we the citizens of this country. Another person say, why is the case being tried in the magistrate court and not high court? Because a magistrate court supposed not to have a jurisdiction over a case of murder where high courts are available. It is a tactical way of commonizing the criminal to facilitate for soft landing for the wealthy suspect. Now, well, my people, now this person wey be say commenting this thing, maybe na lawyer, na the nice be everything. Me, I no be lawyer, I don't know how the whole thing dey be. According to this person say they're not supposed to even try the case for magistrate court. It's supposed to dey for high court. Say because this na serious matter, my people. So somebody say matter gone wrong. Social media noise. Wow, my people, the whole thing I not tell una lie. Somebody say 5 million to the government in exchange of someone's life. So they just kill the boy like that. Just imagine the trauma the parents will be going through. My people, this whole matter, honestly, e get as e be. Una see all these parents when it be say, well, me, I no go, because of, often I look this whole matter now, because this matter, the way they see, the parents of these children, they get money. Often I look this Donwin college, not be poor man pikin na they go to school. And another thing when we say I go talk sef, some of all this thing are lesson to we the parents. Because if you look that Delta State where this boy come from, we get good schools for there. Although na the choice of the parents to carry the pikin go put for Lagos. Did they see also? If not, we get good school for that Delta State where we say you can equally carry your pikin go put for there. And it's affordable. This Donwin college, I dey hear say na 3 million. Some people say na 1.5 million. Some people say na 3 million. Even if na 1.5 million naira, my people, 1.5 million naira no be no be akara, no be beans. When person go cough say they go pay for secondary school pikin, wey be say na honorary, na just WAEC, na at the end of the day they go write, they go get. So even I look this matter now don dey get as e be. According to report, They say the 5 students now say make dem submit their international passport for court so that dem no go fit carry dem comot for Naija. Now they see this matter. I know say this why wey be say these children dem dey for that detention. I know say the parents, they go don dey bribe, they do all sorts, they go don spend money. Make God no give us children wey be say they go give us problem for this life, honestly. Because na school now you send your pikin to go do, no be court. Now they don turn the whole place to another thing. This our investigative journalist, when e be say e dey chook mouth for wetin no concern am, the day wey be say fire of God go burn am, na im know. Kemi Oluloyo, when e be say na im be the mouthpiece of Donwi College, when e be say na im dey support wetin, when person see wetin bad, e dey call wetin bad good. Say Oromoni, when they call Sylvester Oromoni, accept, even sign, say the letter of consent, when e be say e sign, dey with one of the students, say yes, he agree, say make dem kpokporo am, make e even drink the engine oil. You can imagine where wetin human being, when e be say e get sense, when be say human being, when e be say they think from nose, no be from nyash, they open a mouth, they talk. That means wetin they try to tell us now, say Donwi College true, then they practice courtesan for that kind of school. If not be mumu na dey worry Kemi. So a lot of people now they say the Kemi Oluloyo, say the parents of the Donwi College student wey be say dem kpeme Sylvester Oromoni, say e be like say dem pay this self-acclaimed investigative journalist, so dem dey call Kemi Oluloyo, make e divert the attention so that people no go dey talk of the koko of the matter. Na another thing we go dey pursue. Una dey see am so. So me, I go even leave some of the video where we say Kemi Oluloyo, they even dey blast one this Adeotun when they call, e don come out again for am. E don start different audio na Kemi dey release. E don release another one when e be say e come dey even dey blast the Adeotun. They blast am, no be small thing. My people, this whole matter, this Nigeria, and only God na go help us. No justice for poor man again, no justice. In fact, na God na go save us. Who don kpeme. Now the wetin I go just dey pray for the parents of this Sylvester be say, may God give them, may God console them, make He give them the fortitude to bear the loss. If not, me, this matter e get as e be, honestly. For the way I dey see the way the whole thing dey be, e get as e be. The parents of these children, when we say that they involved, the parents of these boys, they hold inside, they get money, and they're ready to spend, make sure say their children, their pikin, then come up for this matter. Make una dey watch this whole thing. Now go just hear the way the whole thing go end. All right, my people. Now here I say make I stop, make I leave on. Make una watch this. Our investigative journalist, what he talk, the latest update about everything. Make una watch.
Yohan sọ fáwọn èèyàn pé èmi ń tọrọ mọ́tò lọ́wọ́ Davido, mo ń sunkún tó ńgbà tó fún mi yogurt tán, kí ló sọ fún mi? Ó pè mí sí corner ńgbà tá ní break lórí set. Ó ní Aunty Kemi, ọ̀rẹ́ mama Davido ni mọ́mì òun, Ibo ni ìyá òun, ọ̀rẹ́ dẹ̀ ni gbogbo wọn. Ẹ má bínú sí David, ọmọ yín ni ṣe rí mọ́tò tẹ́ ń tọrọ yẹn fún birthday gift yín. Mo ń tọrọ mọ́tò, àwọn fans mi ní kí ni mo fẹ́. I want a new iPhone, a new Android and a car. Fáànì fún mi ní iPhone 12 Pro Max, fáànì fún mi ní Samsung Galaxy new Android, owó mọ́tò pé Prado ni mo fẹ́ rà 10 million, 3 lówó mọ́tò, àwọn fans dẹ̀ ló dá. Mo lè gbówó yẹn sí kí lọ ṣe smoothie business àbí kí máa bake cookies or something, but mi tí fẹ́ ṣe nǹkankan. I'd rather use that money to open my journalism institute. Mo máa ṣe journalism school o, KTN Journalism Institute. Online school ni ó máa dàbí Shaw Institute, tẹ́ máa kọ́ journalism, tẹ́ máa gba certificate ni, accredited in the US. Mo gba Ministry of Education accreditation in Nigeria. Wà lọ́bẹ̀ yẹn sí wọn ni kò gbé bribe ńlá kan sílẹ̀. Ìgbà tó bá wù náà máa yọ accreditation. Àwọn ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti fẹ́ enroll gan. So owó mọ́tò ò tí pè, mo lè fowó mọ́tò ṣe business. Adétòun wá bá mi àǹtí Kẹ́mi ẹ má bá Davido jà, Davido á take care mi tẹ bá Davido á ra mọ́tò fún yín. Davido wo ló máa ra mọ́tò fún mi? Èèyàn tí ò ti bẹ̀ mí táwọn èèyàn ti bẹ̀ oríṣi èèyàn ló ti bẹ̀ Davido fún mi. Lọ́ọ̀yà Davido Bobo Ajujua Prince I ó ti bẹ̀ mí fún Davido, gbogbo èèyàn ló ti bẹ̀ mí fún Davido, ó ti forgive Davido, but ó sì yẹ kó wá bá mi kó sọ pé òun sorry. Ọjọ́ kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ lè má ṣẹlẹ̀. Nǹkan tí mo sọ fún Adétòun nìyẹn. Shocking to me, mo rí Adétòun nu fídíò tó sọ pé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mi lèmi ń sunkún tí mo sọ pé ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi sọ fún Davido kó ra mọ́tò fún mi, kò ní dá fún ẹ Adétòun, obìnrin òfò, kò ní dá fún ẹ, yálà yẹ ò ní ṣeré. Èmi bí ẹ pé Davido mo ń sunkún pé kí Davido ra mọ́tò fún mi, orí ẹ ò dá lọ́rùn ẹ.